How to make Threads account private. So if you want to private your Threads account, just like you private Instagram and private Facebook, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make your Threads account private, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app. Then once you open the Threads app, locate the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on it. Now once you click on the profile icon at the bottom right, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the global icon at the top left. Then you'll be taken to the privacy settings on your Threads account. Then locate private profile and toggle this on. Then it should see that says switch to private account. Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content on Thread. Then go ahead and click on OK. Then it should say private profile enabled. Then if you go back to your Thread account, you discover that your account is still active, but only approved profiles or followers will be able to see whatever you have on Thread. And as you can see, the global icon now changed to private icon. That shows your Threads account is now private. So that is basically how to make Threads account private. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.